Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this tasty slow cooker gammon. The link to the recipe is in the description below if you want to print it out. I'm going to start by adding the gammon straight to the slow cooker, followed by an onion that's been quartered, then some cloves, just sprinkle them around the gammon, followed by a little sprinkle of ground cinnamon, and then 2 dried bay leaves. Then after that, add 500 ml of water, or you could use apple juice, cider, or even Coca-Cola if you prefer. Pop the lid on and set the slow cooker off on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 4 hours. So you can serve the gammon as it is, but I think it tastes a bit nicer when you crisp it up in the oven or an air fryer. So remove any netting and the skin. Take care to keep the fat in place though. Then use a sharp knife and slice diagonally across the fat, and then you're going to slice in the opposite direction so that you're forming a crisscross pattern. Then glaze it with some honey and cinnamon, or you could use mustard or maple syrup. I put it in the air fryer basket. I had to remove the tray at the bottom, otherwise I think the top of the gammon would have probably touched the heating element and burnt it. So set it off at 180 degrees for 10 minutes, but do try and check on it at 5 minutes just to make sure it's not burning. Then when the gammon is all crispy, you can remove it from the air fryer and leave it to stand for a little while before slicing it. If you want more slow cooker recipes, do a search for Liana's Kitchen and don't forget to subscribe. And if you could hit the thumbs up button, that would be great. Thank you. Bye.